Hello there, I'm the owner of this channel, Planes and Models Good for Content. Today, I'm riding a Boeing 747 on the Heathrow Shuttle. We are at Heathrow Airport in London. Let's get started. There is the Queen of the Skies, Boeing 747. I like this day.
Announcement. Ding ding ding. British Airways Flight 84, for the London Heathrow Shuttle is now boarding. This is the first call to the flight at Gate 7. And yes, I love the number 7 cause it's a lucky number.
Let's board this plane.
Okay then.
Wow, look at the interior, we got first class.
I remember the time
Announcement. Ding ding ding. This is the final call to Gate 7 for British Airways Shuttle Flight 84. Once again, this is the final and last call to Gate 7 for those who are riding British Airways Shuttle Flight 84.
Hello everyone, my name is John Johnson, and I am your pilot today. Welcome aboard this British Airways shuttle. Here is how the journey works. We will have a 1.5-hour trip around, and then we will arrive back at Heathrow. Enjoy the ride.
Hello! What would you like to order?
Spaghetti.
Pizza.
Spaghetti, cookies, and drinks of water, eating water after my banter with a choco bar.
I got them here. Here you go, and enjoy.
Let's eat and drink.
Well, that was a nice food service. This is the best airline in the United Kingdom with Virgin Atlantic. Honestly, this bathroom is amazing for customers.
Attention everyone, we are about to land in 7 minutes. If you're standing up, go back to your seats and put on the safety belts.
Looks like it's time to land. Let's go to the seats.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Welcome back to London, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for flying the British Airways shuttle. Don't forget your belongings.
Well guys, we made it out through the airport. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.